Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're trying something new from Freezy Food. This is the Pad Kee Mao. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This is one of their kind of all-inclusive kits that has everything in it. So what we do is it gives you the instructions. So you need 8 ounces of water. I have it here because I'm doing this at home, but if you're at work, the great thing about this is it comes with a measuring cup and it tells you. And the great thing is it comes with this nice little toothpick. So you can open it up. So and you can see everything in there. Oxygen absorber, your cup, and then all the silverware comes with it, which is real nice. Then you just need to peel all this off. So then we're just going to pour this over it. Shake it up. Now we're going to put this in the microwave for a couple minutes. When we come back, this will be ready to taste. All right, so here we go. So the exact time this took was 2 minutes. Stir it up really good. Do 1 more minute, and then you put the lid on, and that's it. So in less than about 5 minutes, got a great meal here. And so we're super excited to try this here. So I'm going to try it first, and my wife's going to try it. Okay. This is it's a little hot, and we let it sit for a couple minutes, but very good. I mean, I like, me and my wife, we both kind of like going to Chinese restaurants and stuff, and with some noodles and stuff. So I really like this. All the stuff that I've had from them has been really good quality food, stuff like that. The farmers market opened back going again. So we ran into one of the owners and stuff. He was there. It was real nice. And talking about it, my wife is giving the thumbs up. So we're into one of the owners and stuff like this. So I got a couple more we're going to be doing from them. The one thing, what they're trying to do is get into the market to try to help with, kind of some of the seniors, the elderly people, to give them good quality food and stuff, and going to be showing the process. So we're going to have my mom come on probably in the next couple of weeks. We're going to be doing a chicken noodle soup. My mom loves chicken noodle soup. But you're going to see, my mom has rheumatoid arthritis real bad in her hands and stuff, but we're going to show you, and she's going to do this, have her open it up, how to make it and stuff, because she might like this. So go check them out. I know they're on Instagram, I believe TikTok, and Facebook and stuff. So go check them out, give them the support, because it's a local business. It's not a big monster chain like Mountain House or Valley Foods and stuff like that. But their support, they're local and stuff like that. So if you can, go give them some love on all the social media stuff that's out there. And if you can, I'll link it. But the one thing I just want to tell you about this, just so you know, it is a little spicy. So it's got some kick to it. But if you're okay with that, I think you're good for both me and my wife. The kick was just enough for us. And the great thing about these kits is they're shelf stable for about a year to a year and a half. The great thing is, as you see, it comes with everything. It comes with the bag. You have spoon, knife, little napkin. You got salt and pepper, and it even gives you the little measuring cup for you to fill that to put in there. Now, this is something great for you to take to work, put it in your drawer. They have so many varieties out there in that, and they don't have to be refrigerated. So here's the chicken noodle soup one that we're going to be doing down the road. And then this is an oatmeal. So these are great meals to where you could buy a breakfast, lunch, and dinner sometimes, especially if you're going to be stuck at work all day or whatever. It takes like 2 minutes, 1 minute and stuff. I think I can open up the chicken noodle soup. Yeah. So the instructions on this is 12 ounces, which are 12 scoops of cold water, microwave for 5 until hot, replace lid, and wait a few minutes. So 5 minutes, you got chicken noodle soup and stuff. So the same thing with the oatmeal. So, very excited to try these. Now, if you travel a lot, and I have a buddy of mine who travels, who does private locating stuff, and he's always in hotels and stuff like that, and he's always kind of going out to dinner. He's got a budget of how much he could spend per day, on for food and his hotel and stuff. And sometimes, he doesn't feel like going out and he just wants to stay home. So I'm going to buy him a few of these, have him take it with him, give it a try, and give his honest thoughts and reviews of it. And the great thing is these don't have to be refrigerated. All you need is a microwave, and you can use the sinks. So definitely go out, give Freezy Foods some love, and like I said, let them know that I sent you, and give them, help them out. So with that being said, this is another great meal. All the meals we've had have been fantastic, and that's why love supporting them. So with that being said, hit the comments down below if you've bought anything from them, because I would love to hear. And what did you have? Hit the thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.